Alright, let's get right into it. You're out in the wild, you've got a roaring campfire going, and you want to bring your outdoor cooking game to the next level. Today I'm going to show you how to lash a simple but sturdy tripod, perfect for hanging a pot or kettle right over your fire. First up, you need 3 strong straight sticks. Each should be about as long as your outstretched arms and ideally as thick as your thumb. Make sure they're green wood if possible, not dead and dry, so they don't burn or snap on you. Gather your sticks and a good length of rope, paracord, or even some sturdy twine. If you're really in a pinch, you can use strips of bark, but rope is best. Now lay your sticks side by side, all with the ends lined up. Grab your cord and leave a tail about a foot long. That's going to help you tie things off at the end. Start by wrapping your cord around all 3 sticks about 6 times, nice and snug, about 6 inches down from one end. Don't make it too tight. You want a little room for the sticks to pivot. Next, take that cord and make 3 or 4 frapping turns. That's just a fancy way of saying wrap the cord in between each stick, pulling them together. This locks everything into place and makes the tripod super solid. Time to tie it off. Take the tail you left and tie a square knot or a couple of half hitches to keep everything secure. Now here's the fun part. Stand up the sticks and gently spread the legs. If you did it right, the tripod should stand firm on its own. To hang your pot, you can use another piece of rope with a loop, a metal S-hook, or even a green sapling bent into a hook. Hang it right in the center over the hottest part of the fire. Adjust the height by moving the legs closer together or further apart. And that's it, campfire tripod done. Simple, strong, and super useful for boiling water, simmering stew, or just showing off to your buddies. Remember, always keep your cooking fire under control. Never leave it unattended, and have a plan to put it out quickly. Give this a try on your next trip and let me know how it goes. Happy camping and enjoy that meal over the fire. You earned it.